Yes, you correctly read the title of this video. For this M1 iPad Air will no longer be my main iPad, hopefully by tomorrow. However, this iPad's only 2 years old, so why am I upgrading it? Let's dive deeper into it. The biggest problem with this iPad that I mentioned in my 2-year review of this is that it overheats when performing simple tasks like watching YouTube videos or surfing the web. However, it didn't used to overheat when I initially purchased it in May of 2022. And it isn't software related, for this iPad still runs iPadOS 15.4. Because he degrades batteries, the battery life on this iPad is also taking a toll to the point where I now must charge this thing daily or else every 2 days. Even on days when I don't use this iPad very much. Yeah, I know I could get the battery replaced on this thing, but I mean, come on, this is ridiculous. I know I'm not the only person to have his or her M1 iPad Air overheat, for Alpha Day Wolf experienced the same issue only a few months after purchasing his. Furthermore, I know that the overheating is a generational issue because he purchased his iPad a year after I did. So what am I replacing this M1 iPad Air with? If you follow my Twitter, Instagram, or see my community posts, you'll know that I ordered a 128GB blue iPad Mini 7, which should arrive tomorrow. I chose an iPad Mini 7 over the iPad Air 6 because I initially bought this Air 5 to have a bezel-less iPad that supported Apple's official iPad Smart Keyboard that I frequently used with my previous iPad 7th generation. However, even after getting the Smart Keyboard for this iPad Air 5, I found myself using the on-screen keyboard more, so losing out on the Smart Keyboard support for an iPad Mini really isn't a big deal. I also wanted an iPad that was still cheaper but not the 10th generation iPad, as that is technically worse than this iPad Air. And I also purchased a new iPad Mini because I have fond memories with my iPad Mini 1 and my iPad Mini 2 that were my main iPads when I was younger. Please note this iPad Mini 7 will exclusively replace my iPad Air 5 and not my school-issued iPad 9th generation. But what makes it so hard for me to believe this iPad Air has been with me throughout so many changes in my life is I was just a 7th grader when I got this, yet now I'm a 10th grader with a driver's license. And I've gone through some other personal changes too throughout this time that I won't get into in this video, but it's crazy for me to believe that after all this time, I'm finally upgrading my iPad. But are you getting an iPad Mini 7 or do you desire one? Please comment that down below. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes family and peace out.